Hey, what's up, everybody? What's going on? This is Austin Steve coming at you with a quick analysis on what is maybe the most exciting night of all altcoin. For all the traders out there, for all the new investors out there, this is a really interesting moment because everybody's expecting Elon Musk to go on Saturday Night Live to talk about everybody's favorite meme coin, which is Dogecoin. And now we had our first sell-off. Let's see where this could possibly be going. So I'm gonna go quickly to the bars pattern. Shout out to Tim who taught me to use this. This is a great tool. And maybe see where it came from before. So we had this massive sell-off here back in mid of April, the ides of April. So I think this could possibly be a good template for the kind of price action we're gonna see in the coming hours and days. So I'm gonna go to this bars pattern and just gonna draw a line that goes from here all the way till here, and I'm gonna drag this up and just basically put the shadow over the current price action of the last few days, and you will see that it almost fits almost perfectly. Alright, so we're gonna line the highs and the lows. So it doesn't have to be perfect. Technical analysis is not an exact science, but as we can see, we can also skew this a little bit so it fits, kind of fits. Yeah. So as long as the general gesture fits, it's fine. Just so that we can have a rough idea of what possible price action we could be looking at in the coming hours and days. So I would say if it does another like 50% retracement like we saw in April during Songkran, so I would say this is definitely a good buy zone. So this would be 44 cents to 47 cents. This is definitely a buy zone. So if you got in here back in April, you got very lucky. This was just a wick. Now my second buy zone would be the support in this area here. Oops. So let's take the square rectangle tool and draw another buy zone. So that will give you roughly a buy zone between 50 and 52 cents. All right, 50 to 52 cents. And look, it aligns exactly with these two supports here. Previous support is still valid. So when we take this shadow away now, so we could possibly see price action going further down. Let me take this kind of bars pattern away so you can see more clearly. All right. So we saw yesterday a rally all the way up, back up to 70,000. We had support on 70,000. We started building like a rising wedge. I should have noticed that actually. This is a rising wedge kind of pattern. And I kind of got out here at 65 region. Should have got out here at the break of the 70,000 support, but I got out here, which is okay. I got off where the EMA ribbon was hit. I actually took a stab here for one of my friends and got out really quickly. Took a small loss, but hey, your first loss is your smallest loss, as my friend Tim always says. And we see it hit support is 60 cents. So let me look at the market depth. So it was at 60 cents before. Now we have buy wall at 62. So again, this doesn't really tell you much other than in the immediate short term, as of now, the support is at 62 cents. We see though a sell wall at 65 cents. So there's sell wall here, there's resistance here, and another sell wall kind of it's further up. There you have plenty of sell walls. There's immediate support at 63 and 62. Okay. So let's maybe go into the 3-minute chart, and so we can see what's going on in detail. So we had a massive sell-off here. after having bearish divergence. Thanks again, Tim, for telling me to sell my stash because I wasn't watching it too closely. So we do see bearish divergence here, lower highs, and also on the RSI, even on the 1 hour. This is a bit of a too short of a time frame, but if we go to higher time frame like the 1 hour, even on the 1 hour, you will see very clear bearish divergence. Where if I take the RSI, the relative strength index, it's making higher, lower highs, and also the MACD lines cross right here. So actually, if you took that seriously, you would have got out here even. And of course, the stochastics are just losing momentum. Now the question is this part gonna hold? Is this a real thing, or is this just a fake out? This is just a dead cat bounce. I think we'll have to wait up a bit and see how this recovers now. So let me take the pen. Let me take the brush. So we keep on making lower lows so far. Now, if this manages to make a higher low and then a higher low, then maybe we could possibly take a trade. But as of now, this is not looking so good. This could possibly, if there's not enough volume coming in, and the volume is getting lower and lower. So we could be hitting another resistance here on the EMA ribbon, and then going lower from here, and then even lower from here, which would fit in with my prognosis of seeing maybe a support somewhere around this general area of 52 and maybe even 44, 45 cents, 46 cents. That would give you a retracement all the way of 40%. So that would be a good discount, I'd say. 40%. You might even ladder in a little bit down here at 50 cents. That could still be possible if there's a massive sell-off. So I'd say a little bit here, a little bit here, and a massive position here between 50% and 47% minus. Okay, that'll give you yeah, we could all go all the way back to 37 to 38 cents. All right, so that's it. That's all for now from me. I hope you enjoyed this. Hope you enjoyed this little summary of. It's gonna be a very exciting night here in my little room in Bangkok, and I'm gonna keep watching the chart. I hope you guys watch the price action and feel excited about Dogecoin. I'm looking forward to what Elon Musk is going to say about the future of Dogecoin and what it could do, possibly as a currency, or simply just as a meme coin that's is fun for people and brings a lot of new investors to the cryptocurrency economy, and definitely a lot of the new investors, which I think now is a lot of is driven by retail that are very, very young, like maybe Generation Z, as they call it, or TikTok traders, as they call them, and let's see if this actually does go down here and then maybe go further up, and then maybe can you reach newer highs, and who knows, maybe one day it's gonna be really all the way up here at $1. That'd be really exciting. That's it. That's all from me for now, and this is Awesome Steve coming at you from Bangkok. Hope you like this video. Please give us a like, a comment, subscribe, share with friends, and stay tuned for the next one. Enjoy.